Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to how to enable SSL in Hostinger. Securing your website with an SSL certificate is essential for protecting visitor data and activating HTTPS. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Hostinger's official website. Once the homepage loads, click on Login or My Account at the top of the page and sign in with your credentials. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main account area. From there, navigate to the Home section of your control panel. This page gives you an overview of your hosting services and quick access to important features. Next, click on the Websites section. You'll see a list of all the websites connected to your account. Locate the website you want to secure and click on Dashboard next to it. This will open the control panel specifically for that website. Inside the website dashboard, look for the Security section in the menu. Click on Security and then select SSL. This area is dedicated to managing SSL certificates for your domain. On the SSL page, you'll see the option to install a certificate. Click on Install SSL to begin the activation process. Hostinger will automatically configure the certificate for your domain. Once the installation is complete, your website will be accessible via HTTPS, ensuring encrypted communication between your site and its visitors. That's it. You've successfully enabled SSL in Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.